Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates. In this video, we are going to see about informal letters. Let's get into the video. What is informal letter? Informal letters are written to close acquaintances of the writer, their friends, family, relatives, etc. Since they are written to close relations, the letter have an informal and personal tone. Casual language is used while writing informal letters, and sometimes the letters may even have an emotional undertone. Informal letters are mainly used for personal communication, so they do not have to follow any specific pattern, format, or conventions. They can be written as per the writer's wishes and the requirement of the situation. So, the letter is written in a personal fashion in a casual, unassuming language. Informal letter writing format. First, you have to write address. Your address in brief, just one line. The example, Sector B, Borivali, Mumbai. Next, exam date. Next, salutation. Dear mom, dad, sister, brother, like that. Next is body of the letter. Again, 3 to 4 paragraphs maximum, but ideally 2 to 3 paragraphs is enough. Be polite, be creative and original. Show emotion, like I really miss having our daily talks, like that. But do not forget the main topic on which you are to write the letter. Then subscription. Yours affectionately or lovingly or truly, like that you have to mention. Then signature. Your first name, not full name. Yours lovingly, like that you can write and sign. Let's see one by one in detail. First is address. The first thing to write is your address, that is the address of the writer. We usually write the address on the left hand side of the page at very top. The address should be accurate and complete. Even when writing to close friends or relatives, the address must be written so they can reply back to the letter with ease. If the recipient of the letter is in another country, do not forget to write your country as well in the address. The next one is date. Next, just below the address, we write the date. This allows the reader to have a reference as to when the address was written. He can then relate better to the contents of the letter. Next is greeting. Now, since you know the person you are writing to, the greeting can be informal as well. If it is a friend or someone close to your age, you can greet them by their first name like Dear Alex. If you are writing to your relative like your mother, father, aunt, uncle, etc., you may greet them as such, for example, Dear Mom, like that. Next is introduction paragraph. And now we begin writing the actual letter. Introductory paragraph acts the tone for the whole letter. You might begin by asking the recipient about their well being, or you may say that you hope the letter finds them in good health and great spirits. The opening of informal letters should be casual and comforting. It must not be formal and direct as in business letters. Next is body of the letter. The letter overall should maintain a friendly tone, but you have to adjust the language and the wordings according to who you are writing to. With a friend, you can afford to be very casual and flippant even, but if you are writing to an elder relative, you must extremely respectful and considerate. Next is conclusion. In the conclusive paragraph, sum up the reason for writing the letter. That is, summarize the letter. Say a meaningful and affectionate goodbye to the reader. And do not forget to invite the reader to write back or reply to your letter. It shows an intention to keep the conversation going. Next is signature. There is no one way to sign off informal letters. Since they do not follow a strict format, you may sign off as you please. Some commonly used phrases are lots of love, best wishes, kind regards, kindly. Pick the one that best suits the occasion and then simply sign your name below the greeting. This is the format of the personal letter. First, you write the address, then date, Then dear name, or according to the situation you can use mother, father, like that. Then you have to write the body of the letter, that is you can use 2 or 3 paragraphs. Then you can use the best wishes, then with love, then your signature, then address on the envelope. This is the content example. Thanks for listening. Subscribe the channel for more videos updated.